day after a judge temporarily blocked the enforcement of the governor's ban on guns in public in Bernalillo County, we're getting a better idea of why the judge made his decision and the governor's fight moving forward. News 13's Natalie Wattis is live at the federal courthouse this afternoon with more. Natalie?
Dean, Professor Joshua Kastenberg says what the judge is telegraphing with this temporary restraining order is that the courts are unlikely to side with the governor on this issue.
The substance of the order is very unlikely to be upheld in the courts on a constitutional basis, but the court did not rule whether the governor actually had the authority to issue such an order.
Kastenberg says gun advocates had two things to prove here. One, that they're likely to suffer harm from the inability to do something that's protected by the Constitution, and two, that the order likely wouldn't hold up in court. In the order, the judge notes there are important safety concerns in the Albuquerque area, but he also states the way the governor went about fixing the issue conflicts with the Constitution. Kastenberg says the court did not answer the question of whether the governor had the power to do this in the first place.
No one should take this decision as the governor can't act unilaterally. It's just that the governor can't act unilaterally when it comes to the Second Amendment.
The best way forward for the governor, Kastenberg says, is for her to turn to the legislature for help. He says the success for the governor in this may be in getting citizens to demand that the legislature do something. Back to you.
All right, Natalie, thank you. The next step for this case will be a preliminary injunction motion hearing at the federal court October 3rd.